Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onyi Best, and you're welcome to Onyi Best Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing fine this wonderful evening. Please, if you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Like I always welcome my newcomers. You know why? Okay, you first of all embrace them, and later they will see what it is I patent. Don't mind me. There's nothing inside actually. It is easy. Okay, so please do it to subscribe. All right, turn the notification bell on so that as soon as I'm posting a video or I'm going live, you'll be notified. Okay, at the end of this video, if you like this video, why not share this video, like it, thumbs up. Okay, it is important for your girl. Now let us jump right into this video. My old comers, I always love you. Like I love you, I love you. Take it or leave it. I love you. You don't know how you mean to me. You're coming back watching this video, it means a whole lot to me. For choosing Onibes Beauty, it means a whole lot to me. Thank you. All right. Now, I want to talk today. This kind of semaphore traffic light. Ok? Now you say a posto su una carreggiata doppio senso di circolazione. They put am for carreggiata will be two-way circulation. Con almeno tre corsie with at least 3 lanes. Meaning say from 3 lanes going at that type of road, you want to see a two-way circulation. 3 lanes at least. Caselli autostradali. Okay, for highway, the toll booths waiting for highway. Now you find this particular traffic light for road will be two-way circulation at least 3 lanes. Per regolare uso delle corsie stesse da parte dei veicoli, tutti I tipi di veicoli. Now it regulates the use of these lanes for these vehicles. Remember, saying all type of vehicle. Okay, now in this particular traffic light, therefore, okay, it helps you regulate the use of the lanes for these vehicles. Now, it says consente di impegnare la corsia indicata della freccia verde. Now, it consents you engage the lanes where carry the green light, okay, the green arrow. For instance, this particular one, engage this lane, we carry the green arrow. Non consente di occupare la corsia indicata con la luce rossa a forma di X. Now, this one will get X here. It no consent you to enter this lane. Remember, say, it no consent you means say you don't need to wait, make it turn green. No. You don't need to wait, make it turn yellow blinking light. Okay? You do not need to wait. Now, which brings me back to this particular word. I said I want to drop this one. Okay, I was coming back today. Then we got to a traffic light. Remember, I said not this type of one, all right, the normal traffic lights for vehicles. Okay, now we got to this traffic light. It turned red for us to stop. So unfortunately for me, and unfortunately for the person in front of me, because me, I don't want to overtake because I was already in the junction. Okay. And this person, it turned red light for us to stop. He stopped, Then maybe he was hoping to see the green light before he moved. But I believe that person a new patent holder as well. So he was waiting for green light to move, but unfortunately, green light no come. So the yellow blinking light popped up, and he was like, "Wow, what am I supposed to do?" He didn't move for good up to 5 minutes, and I didn't want to go out from that spot. The person at my back was still there. The person at the front is confused. I was like, "Wow, what am I going to do?" This person, you should move. And those people, we are going as a role. Okay, let me say other people there for our side. Okay, and they were moving. He was like, why are these people moving? Because I was imagining what he was thinking, like, it is yellow, the light is blinking. Why is this not green light? You know what happened was, after the red light, the green light was supposed to come out, but we saw the yellow blinking light, which still means go. Okay, just go with caution. Maybe he didn't ring a bell. Person we don't. I believe he collected it newly, the patent newly. Okay, then he meets red light. Normally, what we meet on the road most times, you see a yellow blinking light on its own. Keep going, just go with caution. But this time, it turns red light in the semaphore. He stopped. The next thing he was hoping to see was green light. And how happens? He saw a yellow blinking light, and he was like, "Wow, what am I supposed to do?" And other people were going. I was like, "Go now, this man is go." I was laughing. I said, "This man, you've been a new person." So as I will tell you guys, that it still means go. Okay, when you see a red light pops out and you're hoping to see a green light and you don't see a green light, and you see a yellow blinking light, just go. Okay, you should still go. It still means go. Just go with caution. All right. So please have that in mind. May not go do the one we will see today. It took the man time to recollect that, oh, I'm actually supposed to have gone. What am I doing here? And he left. So be careful. That brings me back to this one because we are still going to see something like that here. So let's say, we say non consente di occupare la corsia indicata con luce rossa a forma di X. It doesn't consent you to go to this particular one that forms red. There's a force X here, except now it not consent you to occupy this lane. Don't wait for it to turn whatever, be it green light on blinking yellow light. Do not wait for that. Now, se la luce gialla lampeggianti obbliga i conducenti a spostarsi nella corsia indicata della freccia. Now, the yellow blinking light, which is this one, it obliges the driver to move to the lane where this freccia is show. Okay, so if you're coming, move to this lane where this freccia is show. Okay, it's a yellow blinking light. You cannot still occupy it. Okay, so the same thing applies to the green one. You can occupy it and go, but don't wait here. All right, don't use this lane. Now, se non è vero. Non è vero che vale anche per i pedoni, mentre vale per i bicicletta. Now, you know the truth, say this particular semaphore, it is valid for pedestrians, people that walk, you know the truth. Mentre vale per i bicicletta, why it values for people that use bicycle. All right? Non è vero che la corsia con luce rossa accesa impone di fermarsi ed attendere i segnali di via libera. So it's the same thing. You know that you said the one we show us this one here, red X, okay, which shows S in English, or X in Italiano. Now I know that you said the one we show red X here, they tell us to wait, stop, wait, make it show you green light. All right, it is not true. Please. Okay, when you see leave this place, you're not supposed to be here. Okay, this place will show red is going to pop up now here. All right, you're not supposed to be here. Leave this, abandon this two lane. If you see this one will show green light, enter the one will show yellow blinking light as well. This one, enter all right. So that's that for SEMAFORO CORSIA REVERSIBILI. Now I don't know if there's any question based on this particular lesson. If there is, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to see it and attend to you. Please leave it in the comment section. I'm going to go through that and give you answers to your question. All right. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you. I appreciate your time. It means a whole lot to me. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.